welcome to Intro to Research Techniques. I'm really looking forward to our time together these next few weeks. You're going to learn some research techniques, and in my terminology with you, I'm going to at times refer to you as students, but I consider you researchers because I don't want you to learn research. I want for the next 8 weeks for you to be researchers. So we're going to be participating in a research journey. And let me tell you how that's going to unfold. You can take one of the shortcuts here off of the home page, and I'm thinking you're pretty familiar with this, some of this welcome begin here material at this point, but please attend to this at your convenience, particularly the course overview. And each week you'll want to come to the module 1, 2, 3, so forth, overview and to-do list. Let's take a look at module 1 right now. You'll look at the overview, module objectives, and then to-do list. And something that you'll want to do for this particular course is to look ahead at our final assignment in the course, which is a research proposal, which is an 8 to 10 page paper and a 5-minute presentation that we'll do in week 8. And it helps you to begin with the end in mind and to see how the techniques and the material that we're going to be learning will scaffold and become artifacts for you to use for your final project. So let's look at some of the activities for Module 1. You'll introduce yourself in a research Flipgrid. Then you'll proceed on to a Padlet. And in this Padlet, it's an activity. There's a video here, and it asks a simple question, are you good? And it's in what I call a pile-on. Each person that comes to the Padlet will pile on with 2 to 3 unique clarifying questions or thought that will help a researcher discover the answer to this question, are you good? It may not be as easy as you think. You'll participate in a group discussion where you'll be able to select a research scenario. You'll take this research scenario, read through them, and then you'll assign your name to it. Now, don't double up on a scenario until everyone has selected at least one per research scenario. So you'll go back and then you'll paste it in here and in your response, and then you'll also have to reply to 2 other people with 100 to 150 words each. And I put some scholarly resources for your consideration for this assignment that you may find helpful in both your post and in your responses. And after that, you'll want to proceed to our research reflection paper. And here I'm going to ask you to tell me about your passions. What are some things that you're passionate about uncovering truth towards a particular topic in higher education? And then you'll write a 2 to 3 page reflection paper that shares your passion for that particular truth. Pretty soon, as you'll see, starting Module 2, we are going to be selecting a research question, and we'll do a lit review, and we're going to go full speed ahead into the research process. So Module 1 will kind of give you a big picture overview, get us acquainted with each other, and we'll start warming up with some research activities and move full speed into our relationship as professor and researchers. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you and hearing more about you in the introduction Flipgrid and enjoying our learning journey together. And off we go into Module 1. See you in the course.